Navigating the open waters is both an art and a science, and understanding the rules of the road, or COLREGs, is essential for every seafarer. These rules are not just a set of guidelines. They are the lifeblood of maritime safety, designed to prevent collisions and ensure smooth sailing for everyone involved. Let's dive into the key principles. First, we have the concept of stand-on and give-way vessels. The stand-on vessel is the one that maintains its course and speed, while the give-way vessel must take action to avoid a collision. Imagine you're on a busy road. The stand-on vessel is like a car in the right lane, while the give-way vessel is the one merging in. It's crucial to recognize your role in these situations to avoid confusion and ensure safety. Next, we have the importance of visibility. The COLREGs emphasize the need for vessels to exhibit proper lights and shapes, especially at night or in poor visibility conditions. A fishing boat, for example, will display different lights than a cargo ship. Knowing these signals is like reading a traffic sign. It tells you what to expect and how to react. Then there's the rule of safe speed. Every vessel must travel at a speed that allows it to take proper action to avoid a collision. This means being aware of your surroundings and adjusting your speed accordingly. If you're approaching a narrow channel or a busy port, slowing down can make all the difference. Remember, it's better to arrive late than to risk an accident. Now, let's talk about the traffic separation schemes. These are like highways on the water, designed to keep vessels moving in an organized manner. When you're in a traffic separation scheme, stay in your lane and avoid crossing over unless absolutely necessary. This reduces the risk of collisions and keeps everyone safe. Another critical aspect is the use of sound signals. When visibility is low, using your horn can communicate your intentions to other vessels. For instance, one short blast means I'm altering my course to starboard, while two short blasts indicate a port turn. These simple signals can prevent misunderstandings and help maintain order on the water. And let's not forget about the responsibilities of vessels under sail versus those under power. A sailing vessel must give way to a power-driven vessel. But if you're on a sailboat, you have the right of way over a vessel that's not under command. Understanding these nuances can help you navigate tricky situations with confidence. Lastly, always remember the importance of vigilance and communication. Keeping a lookout is not just a rule, it's a fundamental practice. Whether you're on a small boat or a large ship, being aware of your surroundings and communicating with your crew can prevent accidents before they happen. In conclusion, the COLREGs are your best friend on the water. They provide a framework for safe navigation and collision avoidance. By understanding and applying these rules, you not only protect yourself but also contribute to the safety of everyone at sea. So, embrace these principles, stay alert, and enjoy the journey across the waves.